Let U denote the set of all students who applied for admission to the freshman class at Faber College for the upcoming academic year. Let A equal a member so basically X is an element of this universal. So basically all students who applied and is also a successful applicant. B is all those who applied and is a female student enrolled in the freshman class. And C is, out of all those who applied, is a male student enrolled in the freshman class. So I want you to do two things for this. Draw a Venn diagram that represents U, A, B, and C, and state whether the following are true or false. Is A a subset of B, B a subset of A, or is C a subset of B? Well, it could be one or more. So as far as a Venn diagram goes, usually a Venn diagram, you're used to having circles that intersect each other. But the problem is with this, you basically have a successful applicant, which would be a student enrolled in the freshman class, because we're really looking at students who applied to be in the freshman class. So my universe is only students who applied to be a member of the freshman class. Either they were successful and are a member of the freshman class, or they're not. So basically, A is going to be a set in this universal, but B and C are going to be basically a split amongst A. And we also have male and female, so every student is, going to be male or female. Students who will fall into one or the other. So when I make the Venn diagram, to kind of explain what you're seeing here, my universe is what they usually call it, but for this situation, all students who applied is represented by the rectangle. And you see I split the rectangle into two parts, male and female. I don't know if it's a 50-50 split, and I don't know how these are split because I would know some actual numbers to do this, but I'm just assuming it splits in some way. Set A is represented by the entire circle. Now that circle is partially in the male part of this universal and part of it's in the female. And of course, and B and C would be those sets in there, where B, is the right-hand side in green, C is the left-hand side in yellow. So that represents the circumstance here. Now, as you can see from here, A is not a subset of B. B is a smaller set. Everything in B is going to be in set A, but not everything in A is going to be in set B, because there's some males in set A. So A is not a subset of B, so that's false. B, however, is a subset of A. You can see that B makes up a portion of the circle we denoted as A, so that's true. And C and B, one excludes the other. But for this case here, false.